Okay, we're back to making our no bakes. Now we're going to put in our vanilla. This is real vanilla. You could use vanilla extract if you want, but the flavor is not going to be as good. Here at the restaurant, we like to use all real products, nothing artificial. So it's just better if you're going to do something to do it right and to use top-notch ingredients so that in the end result that your product will be better. And that's really what it's all about, is using good ingredients and not trying to save money by using a cheaper ingredient. So we're going to add our vanilla to this. We already have our margarine, milk, cocoa, and sugar in there. So we're just going to pour the vanilla in there. And we're going to mix that in real well. As you can see, it has a nice shine to it now because the sugar is all cooked out, and you can tell the texture has thinned down quite a bit. And when you're whipping, you also want to make sure you get into the corners of the pot. These whips have like a little knob at the end, so you want to make sure that you get into the corner, or otherwise you're going to have sugar or cocoa that's going to be not dissolved in there. So you want to make sure you do that.